Founder and CEO of Web3 Enabler. I'm here to update you with some amazing news. Our fundraise today just crossed the 138,000 mark. You can see that right now on republic.com/web3-enabler. There's about a little over a month to go, and we're looking forward to a few hundred more investors coming in, and hopefully see that number continue to climb. We'd love to have you invest. The minimum is just $100. And for those that haven't been following, we are the Salesforce partner for integrating Web3, cryptocurrency, and blockchain into Salesforce. We've got a few new exciting things to announce. We've got our milestones 2 and 3 been submitted to the USDC Grant program, completing that grant. I'm going to walk you through the video at the end of this presentation so you can see. We also have our first cut of our first video ad. This ad is designed to explain to you the capabilities of Web3 Enabler. So I'm going to go and play that for you right now, and then we're going to
International and domestic transactions take place in seconds on the blockchain. And now you can run the entire process in Salesforce with our app Blockchain Payments. Meet Niles, our sales rep using Salesforce. He's very excited to help our newest client. To speed up the process, Christina at WidgetCo wants to pay their $250 deposit via a cryptocurrency payment.
Great, Christina. Let me get that request right over to you.
Thanks so much.
I'm going to be creating a Web3 payment for you. $250. And that is Christina with a K, right?
That is correct.
Great. And how would you prefer to make the payment?
USDC, please.
Sounds good. Okay, you're going to be receiving an email in just a minute.
Okay, looks like I already got it.
Fantastic.
I'm going to click on the link and connect my wallet. Do you mind staying on the line while I finish the transaction?
Absolutely. Anything you need.
Okay, so I'm going to select the base network and connect my MetaMask wallet. I'll use this QR code, and now I click Save. I'll call it my WidgetCo wallet and hit Submit and Pay Now. Okay. So Niles, do you recommend that I copy the address or use the QR code?
That's a great question, Christina. If you're using a wallet on your mobile phone, the QR code is very easy. Otherwise, copying the address is going to be best for you.
Great, I'm on my phone today, so I'll use the QR code.
Great choice.
Looks like it went through. I got a receipt for the payment.
Fantastic, Christina. Thank you for your business.
So that was our first explainer video talking about all of the neat things that you can do with blockchain payments. We'll probably do a few more edits, show the payment screen being processed and a few other things, but we're really excited to be breaking down all the features you can do, collecting payments simply, sending Slack notifications on them. At Web3 Enabler, when you connect your wallet to our system, a Slack notification goes out. So if we're waiting to send you a payment, we get immediate notification. The other thing that's really exciting is we finished our milestone 3 for the programmable wallets. This is a little bit more technical in the demo, but I'm going to go show it, and hopefully you guys will enjoy.
This is Alex Hackberg demoing the Web3 programmable wallet. Some of this you saw in milestone 1, so we're going to go through this quickly. We need to go and generate an API key. I have created over here a new fresh account. And create an API key. Standard to demo. I've copied this key and I will place it here. Before I save that, you will see that in here, the developer console, when I pull up stats from Programmable Wallet, there's nothing there. As I save through the settings, you see the API key is now stored. I'm now going to generate the entity secret. See, the entity secret is now stored on the back end. Public key. Now you see the public key here as well. It's time for the ciphertext. Here you see my ciphertext. Here you see my ciphertext stored internally. And going over to Circle, when I hit register, I will enter my ciphertext. I will now download the recovery file. You can see we have quickly connected the whole system and marked it as complete. That is the programmable status, and as you can see, all the data here is stored internally in Salesforce. I will now go into regular programmable wallets, and we will start with wallet sets. We're going to create a new wallet set. Example wallet set. As you can see, I have wallet set 0. We have a circle ID, developer, and everything out. If I go, so now I have a wallet set with no wallets. If I go over into wallets, and again, I'm going to create a new wallet, wallet number 1, an externally owned wallet on the Eastopolia network, and wallet set 0. And we see a wallet with an address and a circle ID. We can go back to wallets. We can create a second wallet. We're going to create a smart contract wallet, also in Eastopolia, also in wallet set 0. And now we have a smart contract key and a circle ID. And if I go into dev controlled wallets, here you see my wallets that have been created and are ready to be used completely within the system. So this completes a demo of milestone 2. Much of this functionality is also there for milestone 3. We will have some more documentation. The original plan was to hard code our API key in milestone 1 and then add that whole interface in milestone 3. We ended up building the interface out while we were building it. So you can see we have the ability to stick the information in. We have the ability to create and show wallets and all of their information. And this is entirely done within the Salesforce native system. And those wallets are ready to be used either within Salesforce, obviously, or in any other developer-controlled web environment we would pass those secrets over to. So thank you, and I hope you have any further questions.
So as you can see, we're getting all the pieces together. I look forward to having a video with that showing the bridge liquidation addresses. One of the interesting things is the early Ethereum wallets, particularly MetaMask, really embraced L2s natively. You would create a singular key and a singular, essentially the master private, and then on each network, it would create the private public key combo, I believe. Or it was just using the same address for everything in the same private key. I never really dug into exactly how that worked, but it was very clear you can take your address onto the different L2s. So that's really the standard treatment we have. As we're seeing with some of these newer features like the programmable wallets by Circle or the liquidation addresses by Bridge, they're creating singular wallet addresses on each blockchain to make the transactions easier to track. So the liquidation address doesn't really have an address per se. It has a collection of addresses, which, is not a problem for us to implement because it's the same model we use for the UTXO, right? A Bitcoin wallet can have 1 million addresses in it or an HD derivation path to create them, but it's all treated as one wallet in the system. Same thing here will be with a liquidation wallet or a programmable wallet. The wallet set would essentially be the wallet you would interact with, and it would have the different addresses, and that would all be shared in the QR code. So when someone would go to make a payment to us on the base network, it would get our base related QR code because we'd create each of those in the programmable wallet. And then flip side, when we sent a payment out, if we did it on base, we would need their base address, which if it's a MetaMask wallet are all the same, But if it's a specific network wallet, it'll be that specific network. So we're just going to work a little bit on how we present that in the user experience to make that really obvious and to make sure that we're able to have people connect their actual network wallets over. So we're really excited for that. Sorry if I'm sounding a little down today. Getting over a little bit of a cold and was working on the bridge stuff until about midnight last night. But it's really exciting to be able to have a play where you can KYC and agree to the terms and conditions all within, quick email sent to you, notifications going all the way, and the ability to off-ramp crypto with a couple of clicks, or to be able to request a one-time off-ramp. You'll get an address to send to at the destination or the liquidation addresses. So this is a really exciting time. We're working with the first few companies that we're on-ramping with this technology, and it's really been the game changer for us. So if you haven't already, go to republic.com/web3-enabler and join our fundraise. We are the crypto partner providing solutions on the world's biggest ecosystem for corporate systems. So corporate adoption will be coming this year. You see, we're getting new regulations around stablecoins. You see the new administration, whether you love them or hate them, are embracing crypto, and they're having the power to do so. In fact, the government agency that's making the most news right now, or White House Special Division, wherever the hell they are, is named after a meme coin. So we clearly see that this is the year that crypto goes mainstream. We think the international payment space is a no-brainer and obvious. And we love to encourage you and everyone in the general public to join our raise at republic.com/web3-enabler. I think the valuation is great. We think it's well set. And you'll be seeing those ads about Salesforce and our use cases as we kind of polish up the re-edit for it. We'll be putting those out for a variety of different use cases. So we're really excited to be able to make this story make sense. So thank you. God bless. And I hope you'll join our raise. If you've already joined our raise, consider increasing your investment stake right now. We think it's a fantastic investment opportunity. Thank you.